This is just unboxing of a Seagate Ironwolf hard disk. This one's 8 terabyte. We'll see if it's any different to the way the 4 terabyte ones come. I would expect not. Probably exactly the same. Yeah, so you get a rescue data recovery service, a manual with your limited warranty, and same sort of packaging. The other one, I'll set this box aside and I will open this up. Make sure you've got no static electricity if you're doing this. Static electricity and hard disks don't mix. And that's your Seagate 8 terabyte Ironwolf. And yes, I can tell straight away it is different. It is thicker and it's noticeably heavier. You've got your eSATA ports. If you're plugging this into a NAS, you really don't need to know much more, but I will get the 4 terabyte just to give you a quick comparison. It's noticeably thinner, which is something you probably can't tell if you go to buy these things. That's why I think unboxings are a reasonable thing. A lot of people don't like them, but if you see that, it's not quite an inch thick, whereas the 4 terabyte drive, which is noticeably thinner, I would say is about roughly half an inch, 1.5 centimeters. The other one's 2 centimeters, so 2 centimeters plus. So yep, well, that's your 8 terabyte Ironwolf drive. Thanks for watching.